The Captain Marvel trailer release date. Kevin Feige weighs in on when we can expect to see some footage. Okay, so fan forums have been speculating for a while now about when we're going to see Carol Danvers appear on the screen. Some saying it may appear in front of Ant-Man, others saying it may appear at Comic-Con. Marvel head honcho Kevin Feige has weighed in this week, however, over at the comicbook.com interview and gave some pretty unfortunate news. He stated we're going to have to wait at least a few months until we see it or any promotional material for the movie, which honestly I don't find that unsurprising. We've got Ant-Man to look forward to in the next few weeks, so they don't want to interfere with the momentum of that movie. The film is currently still shooting and that's due to wrap up in the next couple of weeks, and Feige was quick to mention that along with Black Panther, Spider-Man and the Wasp, they're all very, very important to the future of the Marvel Cinematic Universe moving forward. It'll be interesting to see how the Carol Danvers character factors into the MCU moving forward, particularly in the Avengers Infinity War sequel. Kevin Feige's stated on many occasions that she is by far the most powerful character to be introduced into the MCU. And that's quite interesting. Personally, I think in Infinity War there was a lack of overpowered characters. Thor was off creating his new hammer, Vision was wounded for a lot of the movie, Hulk was a no-show. So it'll be interesting to see all those characters coming back way more powerful and taking on Thanos with the full Infinity Gauntlet. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I'm assuming this is going to be attached to a Disney movie coming out. I think The Incredibles 2 is going to be too soon, and we're not going to be seeing a Star Wars movie coming out this Christmas. Episode 9 will be next year. There's also no D23 this year, so if it's not attached to one of Disney's other movies, it could well be is in another Comic-Con later in the year. There's been some other interesting news about the Spider-Man sequel coming out, Far From Home, so I'll talk about that in a follow-up video, so be sure to click the like and subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification to be notified when the next videos come up. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time, bye.